you're on the exhaust, trying to lock up the clutch, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Aaron. Needs to get down there past that pull of air and right. Here's Bob. Weights around. Have a look at the track, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Steve. This is as far as you're going. This is Ken Ellis at the control of the Adams John Deere. Just Ken, that stinking deer. All right, get your hands together. Jason! Procedure here, ladies and gentlemen. He's going to build up the RPMs. Turbo boost is going to come up. He's keeping an eye on a lot of things right now. It's going to start to push his foot up on that clutch. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Chris. Get your hands together.